Pursued by the paparazzi, claims Harry and Meghan came close to catastrophe last night in a 2-hour car chase. The pair were driving home with Meghan's mother after an awards event in New York when they say they were tailed and harassed by highly aggressive paparazzi, resulting in multiple near collisions with other vehicles.
The press, paparazzis, they want to get the right shot, they want to get the right story. But public safety must always be at the forefront.
The Duke has long, of course, been vocal about his fears for his family's security. Today, he said, being a public figure should never come at the cost of anyone's safety. We have the latest also tonight. Long-awaited rental reforms promising an end to no-fault evictions. But will that help fix Britain's broken housing sector? Global warning. Climate scientists say the world looks set to breach the key 1.5-degree threshold within 5 years. The great vape scandal. Manufacturers accused of using social media and giveaways to get children hooked. We have a special report. And Beyoncé's back. The Queen of R&B kicks off her UK tour in Cardiff to the delight of the devoted.
She's just an icon of life, forever and ever. I just love her.
You pay a few pounds and then you see God. Imagine that, it's perfect.
This is the ITV Evening News with Mary Nightingale.
Good evening. The Duke and Duchess of Sussex were involved in a near-catastrophic car chase last night, according to their official spokesperson. Harry and Meghan, along with her mother, Doria Ragland, were returning from a New York awards ceremony when they said they were relentlessly pursued by press photographers for 2 hours. The statement claimed police, pedestrians and other drivers were all put at risk. And with harrowing echoes of history, it lay the blame squarely at the hands of a highly aggressive paparazzi. Here's our royal editor, Chris Shipp.